Hi, this is Bello for civic.ai. So you know how it is hard to get to government to listen to you and your complaints as well as the problems you're facing in your communities because of the several bureaucracy of information gap. So this is what civic.ai is trying to cut down the time as well as the gap in terms of information that gets to the government and how quickly and fast and how this information is being categorized in their database. So there's several use cases for the system. This includes automating uh, information that gets to them and how fast it gets to them, real-time emergency response, coordination, as well as civic monitoring as well. NGOs can use this. Smart cities initiative can incorporate this system into theirs. So without further ado, let's get deep into the um, demo.
Civic AI. I'm your AI assistant here to help you report civic issues and community concerns. I'll gather the details of your report today. Thank you for calling in. I'll report this issue. Specific location where the power outage is occurring. You mentioned that. Is that the exact area with the problem? Also, could you provide a specific street name, address, or any nearby landmarks to help us locate the issue more accurately? Thank you for the information. Power outage near the bus stop in Wadati, specifically around the transformer in that area. Also, please tell me how long this power outage has been. Can you also tell me how long this power outage has been going on and whether this is affecting multiple homes or businesses in the area? Thank you for providing that information. This power outage near the transformer has been on for 12 hours and is affecting businesses in the area. Is there anything else you'd like to add about the situation or any immediate dangers or concerns we should highlight in the report? I understand your concern and I want to make sure we address this properly. I've documented that this is following a power outage at the transformer near Madadi Kaduna bus stop, affecting businesses and ongoing for 12 hours. Let me confirm what I've recorded. You're reporting an infrastructure issue in Madadi Kaduna, specifically a power outage at the transformer near the bus stop. This has been ongoing for 12 hours and is affecting businesses in the area. This appears to be a high priority issue. Is that correct? Thank you for reporting this. Your report is being processed immediately and will be sent to the appropriate department within minutes. Your civic engagement helps make our community better. Have a good day.
Because of the issue we've had with integrating the talents and upgrading our account, so we're just going to use majorly dummy data. So here we're selecting a security concern for the demo data. Then we have the call transcript, assuming this was the call information that was gotten from the call. We process this call transcript. What this process does is it sends the information to the required parties. Here we can see the extracted information, the category of the information, the priority, as well as the location. And then we have the generated Telegram message. So it sends a message to Telegram, and then this is the information that it contains there. So here we have our about from previous reports. And we can see our current report here. We have the category, we have the priority area, we have the location, and then we have the report ID. Basically, so that we can be able to trace it back on the database, maybe to get more insight or something. But you have the summary report summary as well. Then other information we can see here include the analytics, particularly in the analytics, we can see reports by category. We can see key metrics. These two things majorly. We categorize the information based on the different categories: education, health, security, infrastructure, and whatnot. And we can see things like the reports that we had today, average response time, the resolution time, and citizen satisfaction and stuff like that. So we have all those things in place. And so basically, the point is to have just a general overview, a data-driven overview that they can have. So this webhook is for the integration if you want to integrate the direct. So because we didn't do it here, so there was also an icon just to show how you can do that. But also here you can see system configuration where you configure things like your Telegram token if you want to send it to a different Telegram account, and then the ID as well, or the chat. Then you have, if you want to send directly to the admins to a certain email, you can do that as well. Thank you very much.